Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to Dexter Gaming. Now this video is not a gaming video, kind of is, but except you're gonna make one. Now this is a Roblox Studio simple tutorial on how to make a basic horror game. No coding at all, just straight using already made pre-made models right here. Like, let's just spawn this in. Already made models. You could just go over here, press this down arrow, press play here. Boom, you got your little character. You could walk around, you know. I think all of you guys have heard of Roblox. So yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you. Now, Roblox Studio is only for a PC. If you're a mobile user, try to get a PC so then you can make your own Roblox games, and you could make as much as you want. You could maybe make Robux if enough people play it. I feel like you guys will do amazing. So yeah, let's get playing. So what you're gonna do is you are going to go to search right on this left toolbox. Then you're going to search RTX. Now you do not need an RTX computer for this. You could just click on Super RTX graphics. There's some RTX trash. You could decorate your map any way you want. I'm just showing you how to make some walls. Like here, there's a realistic palm tree right here. Oh, that's pretty big. Oh wow, this is actually nice. I'm gonna use this for one of my future games. But yeah, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in horror material. No, that's not how you spell material. I know it's M-A-T. Okay. Material. Horror materials. And then you're gonna click on the first one. 5 shide. Oh, he made 2. Well, click on this one. Yeah, choose the ultimate. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in gray wall. Once you type in gray wall, right here, you're gonna click on the first one. Now this is the most used one, as you can see out of all of these. This is your starters one that you should always use. Go to material, and then your custom graphics should come up somewhere. Let's find them. So it looks like it didn't go through. Yeah, it doesn't look like it went through. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here, roof shingles. Now this is one if you want like kind of like a castle kind a little. Then what you're gonna do is you are going to click on it and then Control C and then Control V. You're gonna paste it. If you want to, you could click on it, press scale, and do this. I do this. So I'm gonna put this wall right over here. So let's measure it. There we go. Let's see, same. Yep, that's the exact same. Then we are going to type floor. So once you type in floor, there should come something up. Where is it? Gray floor. Now what you're gonna do, just like the walls, except you're gonna put it onto the top. Now I will be showing you guys a floor. Right now I'm just kind of showing you guys how to make the walls. Click on this, and then you're gonna go up here, go to home, click material, and then like I did earlier, you choose one you like. For my game, I'm going to be choosing let's choose corroded metal. And here we have our basic little thing. If we just do that, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold down left mouse button, and then you're gonna drag, and then you could select as much as you want, right click, or you could just do this, and then up here you're gonna press anchor. Now this is not for all of them, but here's what it would look like. You do not need a RTX computer to run this. completely non-RTX. It can run perfectly on your iPad, your phone, anything you're playing Roblox on. This could perfectly work for you. Oh, let's put it in full screen. So let's move this up a little bit. Now remember, this is a non-coding video, so I've been publishing Roblox games a lot. I will put the link to my Roblox account, link in description, so you guys could go check out my games, maybe even friend me if you guys want. So yeah. Then we are going to make all of these longer. So yeah, just kind of watch through, and then I'll tell you when there's a new thing coming up. This is a little bit of a tricky part. What you're gonna do, you're gonna put this front, you're gonna put it right here. Let's try that. We can't. Let's move it over one more stud. There we go. Go to scale. Boom. No. Alright, that's as far as we can go. And then, boom. If you want to turn a corner, just do that. Then with this ceiling, we just make it bigger. Now, this is going to be a dead end for mine. Now, this game is going to have blood. But, yeah, I'll put down some blood if you... This is a, more of a mild horror game. Like, you know, there's gonna be, of course, some blood in all of my horror games. All of my horror games, I'm putting up warnings. It's gonna be like ages 9+ or 10+. So, yeah. Here we have this. And we are going to make it a lot bigger. Take this. Now, if you want it this big, if you want it exactly like mine, make sure the number is at 57.106 if you want my same roof size for my kind of thing right now. This wall, if you want to turn a corner, is going to be 53.106, so they are both ending with 10. No. I feel like this number changed. Yeah, this number changed, definitely. But, oh, these all have different one. So 57.106 over for the right. So over for the right, and then left. So, yeah, make sure it's 57.106 to the right, and 57.106 to the left, and then 73.953 to the front, and same with the back. And yeah, that's for the ceiling size for my starter tutorial. If you just kind of wanted to like see what a super small horror game would look like, I would tell you pretty boring. Just saying, it wouldn't be that fun. Oh my god, I accidentally turned it into paper. No, you don't want paper. Oh, I love how Roblox added that smooth movement. It was so hard moving things before. So I'm kind of one of the people that like talk a lot. I just kind of like giving commentary. Alright. And here it is. Okay, there we go. Let's make this area. Let's put this right here. I'm gonna put it to 2. And then what you're gonna do, finally we're getting over to the floor. You're gonna press gray floor, drag this to the bottom, and then you are going to move it over, press the scale, and then, you know, just classic move it, and then press anchor so that way it won't move. I'm gonna press cobblestone, and here it is so far. This is the thing to the horror game right now. So I'll be showing you more advanced things. So this is what you want to watch. So yeah, every video I will tell you to Like if I'm showing you like, hey, I'm gonna be making a full-on obby or parkour thing. Oh wait, that's an obby. Another horror game. I love making horror games. I have a realistic shooter on my account. You can go check it out. Again, my account will be linked in the description for you to friend me. Just send me friend requests. I'll absolutely accept it at all. I just need some more friends to fill up my friend space. Yeah, that's kind of the whole point of Roblox. You just kind of friend people who you kind of like want as a friend. But now we're gonna go here. We're gonna type in monster. Now I feel like a lot of people are gonna recommend me this game called Sprunky. Yes, I will play it. I am going to play it. I've played it a little. It is super fun. I love it. I will leave the link to Sprunky in the description too for you to play Sprunky. And yeah, then we're going to add Torch. Now this is a kind of Nextbot styled monster. So yeah, if you want it, then you could. Wall Torch. Yeah, this. Yeah, do the wall torch. If you kind of want my kind of horror game, if you like it, you can do exactly this. You can do all the things and everything. $180. Is that a line? It's floating. You gotta make sure it's touching to give more of that realism. Yeah, it looks like Roblox is just not Robloxing today. There. So for now, we're gonna get rid of the monster. Oh! Night. Oh my god, that jump scared the hell out of me, dude. I am so sorry about that, guys. I just got jump scared. But yeah, let's put in. You're gonna type in spawn. Just by typing in spawn, you should find invisible spawn location. Click on that. Make sure it's kind of crooked. So that way, wherever the player's mouse is, it will go. And then press F5 if you want, or you could go up here, press play. I'm gonna press F5, and here's the horror game. I will be adding darker effects. There it is. There's the darkness. But yeah, this is what your horror game would look like if you try to do mine. Now let's add the dark stuff around. So we're gonna type in fog, dark night, and fog. Press play, and then it should come up in a little. Alright. 3, 2, 1. And it did not work. It might take a little to render, maybe. But in Roblox Studio, right now, it's kind of, well, you know. But yeah, this will be your horror game once you first make it. If this is your first time, I'm glad for you that you are wanting to have a desire in horror games or just Roblox. But yeah, then we're gonna add in our totally lovely monster called Monster Killer. Now, this fellow don't bite. He rips you in half. So, yeah. There he is. Look at him. See how friendly he is? And then just move anywhere. Like, just, you know. Alright. Publish to Roblox as. Now I've made all of these other games. Everyone that sees public, it seems that can see. This one is my most popular horror game. Burning Memories. I'm trying to make it work. We're gonna get Google ready. Alright. Let's just name it YouTube Horror. Not console. Description. Nothing. Gonna go and then type it in. And then once you do that, if you add blood into your game, now you have to do this, like, no matter what. you have to go here, click on game settings, and then fill out questionnaire. I'll check if it has like my ID or anything, so that way you guys don't see my ID. Okay, let's go in. Okay, so then once you do that, I'm going to move this over so I could show you guys. Alright, so this is what it is. Yes, it does contain violence. What is the level of intensity? Now, it won't show your information, so if you're trying to record a video while doing this, then it won't be shared. What is the level of intensity? Whatever it is, mild, implied, or unrealistic. We're gonna put moderate. And then how frequent is it? Put however much it is. For me, it is repeated. I'm trying to make the greatest horror game. Yes. How realistic is the blood? It's not pixelated, but I'll put unreal. Are the depictions of... Yes, they do happen a lot. Yes. Moderate. Repeated. Save and continue. No. No. Is the primary theme? No. No, it does not. Does it? No. Does it? No. And yeah, this is what it is. And submit. And there you go. And that's how you get through it. Now we're gonna keep this like that. Game icon, screenshots, and video. I'll add this onto the game. But yeah. Let's enable microphone. I feel like that would be pretty funny. Like just people going like, no, come on, we have to go over there. No, let's go over here. So, yep. And then we're gonna pull right back out Google. We're gonna type in Roblox Creator Hub. Once you go onto here, I already have it. Go to here, and then view on Roblox. And Aviation Fan or LizCapDex is my username. Let's press here, and then add to profile, and we are all done. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Type down in the comments if this video was very helpful, and I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below what I should add to this horror game, and I will respond, and I will shout you out with whatever has the most likes, or if I like it. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next Roblox video or VR video. Now, I will see you later, and goodbye, all my GTers.